Okay, on to my second video for you. I might make 3. Let's see how this goes. Now, like I said, this is going to be a bit trickier because I actually want to use words such as clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now that's just describing the way that this girl's going to turn, not how far she's moving, okay? So I think what I'm going to do to show you is I'm going to make her actually face the same direction we're facing in. So let's just give her some hair. Ooh, that's the back of her head, right? So that's always a nicer way to do it. So she's facing our way. So does she need to go left or right to get to that house? Well, I want her to turn right this way, okay? So a bit if you think back to that circle, say if she's there, this is a quarter, isn't it, of the circle? So quarter clockwise. Again, think of that clock. Oh gosh, have I made a mess of this? Ooh. There we go. Okay, so she's turned quarter clockwise to face out towards here. In fact, I might just draw her for you so you can see what I mean. And you can do the same, whatever helps you to remember what way she's facing or how she's turning. So, let's see. Then we have a go. I'm sure some of the girls in the class will do better than me. There she is. She's turning that way. And how many steps forward? Always the nicest part. Let's count, put our dots in. 1, 2. Now I usually join it up so I know. Here we go. Again, I might just draw her in there so I remember how she looks. There she is. Not got any legs, but anyway. Right. So, she needs to turn again, doesn't she? Otherwise, she'll be off my grid. How do we want her to turn? Well, if she turned half, either way, clockwise or anti-clockwise, she'd be facing that way. So it's going to be a quarter clockwise. I had to think then. Quarter clockwise to face the house. So I'm going to draw her for you. And remember, if it's a full turn, so the whole way around that clock, she'll end up exactly the same place, won't she? Looks like she's never even moved. So it's quarter turn. Here she is. And to finish it off, how many steps towards the house? 1, 2, 3. And I like to just draw the arrow with those dots. There we go. So what you can do, probably just have a go actually on your grid yourself before writing down the directions, okay? I've chosen this route or this way to get there, but you might want to choose a different way. Okay, so she started off here, didn't she? Well, you might want her to turn around halfway clockwise or anti-clockwise and go down here. That's fine, as long as you describe how she is moving. So, last video, we just used turn left or turn right. That's absolutely fine. But with this video, I've just discussed anti-clockwise or clockwise to turn. Completely up to you how you want to describe how she's turning, if you feel confident with that clockwise and anti-clockwise. And of course, tell me if it's a quarter or a half turn. And then just tell me if she moves forwards or even backwards. Okay?